Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this look. This is a quick get ready with me video. I just filmed this look because I was going out and I wanted to record something. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's very easy and it's summer friendly. So if you would like to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So I've already moisturized my face. First I'm going to go in with this Pond oil control cream, and I'm just applying it in the areas that I would normally get oily quickly, which is around my T-zone area, my the pores area on my cheek and my nose. Next, I'm going in with foundation, and the foundation that I'm using is the Fenty Beauty foundation, the profilter foundation in the shade 400. I absolutely love this foundation. It is lightweight, and you guys know my skin is popping. My scars are, clearing out, and this foundation is just perfect because they're not as glaring as they used to be. So I'm just applying it all over my face. I'm going to go on and apply concealer. The concealer that I'm using is from Maybelline. I've been using this concealer a lot. You guys can see that it's already running down. I'm just going to apply it in the areas that I want to highlight, and then I'm going to apply my contour cream, my contour product, which is the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Espresso. I always use this to contour. I'm just applying it in the areas that I want to make darker, and then I'm going to blend everything all in. Of course, I'm using my beauty blender, and I'm also using this brush from Real Techniques. Now I'm going to set my highlighted area with the Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just using this brush. It's like a fluffy brush from Makeup Addiction, and I'm just setting in the products in the areas that I highlighted. So guys, I've done my brows, and I'm going to go on and do my eyes. I've already set my eyelids with powder, and I'm going in with this shade from the Dare to Create palette from Morphe, and I'm just going to use that as my transition shade. I'm using this Evita Joseph blending brush to apply these products. Now I'm going to go in with this dark purplish shade in the crease area just above my natural crease, because you guys know I have hooded eyes, and I'm going to blend all that in. As you guys can see, it's all blended in. Now I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Now I'm going to go in with this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer all over my lid area, and then I'm going to go in and blend that out, and then I'm going in with this gold shade from the same palette, and I'm going to set my lid area with this gold shade. Going in with the brush that I used before, and I'm just going to blend out the harsh lines and make sure that everything stays in pute. Now I'm going to go on in and apply my wing, do my wing line. I'm using the angled brush from Evita Joseph, and I'm just creating my wing eyeliner. Now I'm going to go on and apply powder all over my face. Guys, I told you this look is a very quick look. I'm going in with the Evita Joseph powder brush, and I'm just applying these two shades of powder from Milani all over my face, and I'm going to go in and line my waterline with the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Now for my under eye, I'm going in with this purplish shade or pinky shade, and I'm just smudging that under my eyes to create that popness. Now I'm going to go in with the Yangabeauty Candid Glow, and I'm just going to apply that in the areas I would normally want to make glowy. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I'm using the Evita Joseph highlight brush to do this step. Now I'm taking the same glow and I'm using a pencil brush, or a mini blending brush rather, and I'm going to pop that in the tear dot area. So now I'm going to do my lips. I'm doing the usual. I'm going in with Honeylove, but I'm lining my lips with a brown liner, and then I'm going in with Honeylove all over my lips, and I'm going to add a little bit of Velvet Teddy all over my lips. Now I'm applying mascara, and I've just let my lashes get ready so that they can be tacky. So I'm applying mascara now, and after mascara I'm going to then apply my lashes. So now I'm going to go on and apply gloss all over my lips because I actually want the glossy feel, and this is what wraps up this look. So guys, this is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's very easy, it's very simple, it's very spring, summer, you know, summer inspired. Yeah, it's very easy, guys, very easy to do, and I hope you guys enjoyed this very simple tutorial. I wanted to just come and drop something for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.